Unlocking the Secrets of a Successful Marriage, a dive into marriage workshops. Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating world of marriage workshops. If you've ever wondered what these workshops are and how they can impact a relationship, then you're in the right place. Let's unlock the secrets together and understand why many couples are choosing this path to strengthen their bonds. Marriage workshops are structured sessions or series of sessions where couples come together to work on their relationship. These workshops are led by trained professionals who guide participants through a variety of activities and discussions designed to improve communication, resolve conflicts, and rejuvenate the connection between partners. It's like a relationship gym, where you exercise and build your marital skills. Marriage workshops often include a mix of lectures, interactive sessions, and private reflection time. 1. Educational lectures. Experts share knowledge on common marital issues and effective strategies to handle them. 2. Interactive sessions. Couples engage in activities that encourage them to practice communication and conflict resolution skills. 3. Reflection time. Partners reflect on their relationship and discuss their thoughts and feelings in a safe and supportive environment. These components are designed to cater to different learning styles and ensure that every couple gets the most out of the experience. Attending these workshops can bring numerous benefits to a relationship. Couples often report improved communication, learning to express thoughts and feelings in a constructive manner, greater understanding, gaining insights into each other's needs and perspectives, revitalized connection, rediscovering the love and appreciation that brought them together, effective conflict resolution, developing skills to resolve disagreements in a healthy way. It's not just about fixing problems, it's about nurturing and enriching the relationship. Marriage workshops are not just for couples in distress. They are beneficial for couples who are engaged and preparing for marriage, newlyweds looking to build a strong foundation, couples in a long-term relationship wanting to rejuvenate their bond, partners facing challenges and seeking guidance. It's a proactive step towards a healthier, happier relationship, no matter the stage or state of your partnership. Marriage workshops offer a unique opportunity to invest in your relationship and ensure its health and longevity. Whether you're looking to enhance your communication, deepen your connection, or simply invest in your future together, these workshops can be a valuable resource. We hope this video has shed light on the world of marriage workshops and inspired you to consider the possibilities they offer. Here's to building and maintaining a strong, loving relationship.